These are the basic steps of twerking. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you keep your hands the way it's supposed to be. So this is known as the twerk hands. Cross it this way and then open your leg a bit, like widen it. Place the hands on your laps, and then that is how it goes. So you have to do in and out, then you go again in and you go out. So while you're doing that, you have to make sure that your bum shoots out when you're going out, and then take your waist in, and that is how it goes, like in and out and in and out. So the next thing you do is to go up and down as you are twerking. Move up and then you move down, up and down. When you're done moving up and down, so the next thing you will have to do is to move towards your right leg direction, and then while you're twerking, so you twerk and move towards your right leg direction, then you twerk and move towards your left leg direction. So that is how it goes. Twerk, move towards your right leg direction, twerk, move towards your left leg direction, while you're still doing your in and out and in and out movements. So guys, this is actually the basics of twerking. So there are still other moves that are a bit difficult, but since the title of the video is basic steps of twerking, we have to keep it simple and go one after the other so that we can actually understand what the video is all about and how to move your body in this manner. So the next one we have to do is try moving your ass, as in one side of your ass, either the right or the left. So you stand upright and then you try controlling the muscles of that particular part, just as you're seeing right now on the video. So you go in and out. You can make it slow, you can make it fast, depending on what you want to do. I know the last two steps, it's a bit complicated and difficult, but if you watch the video over and over again and put some effort, I'm sure you're good to go. So that's it. Ta-da-da.
So guys, that is it for today. I might not be the best twerker, but I know I've impacted something in someone's life, someone that doesn't even know how to shape her body or something. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel.
Bye.